two desirable characteristics that we want from any induction motor based drive is that it should start with high starting torque and with low starting current, and this is possible only if the motor voltage and frequency is somehow reduced during the start of the motor, and this is what exactly done by a triple VFD. So in case of triple VFD, what it does is that it reduces the voltage and frequency in such a manner that the V upon F fraction remains constant. The V upon F is kept constant because it is directly proportional to the maximum torque within the induction motor. So this operation is known as variable voltage variable frequency operation, where we vary both voltage and frequency so that the motor achieves a high starting torque with low starting current and with fixed maximum torque. Now to increase the speed of the motor, we gradually increase the frequency and we also increase the voltage, and both of these factors are increased together in such a way that the V upon F remains constant. This is followed till the motor reaches its rated speed, which it achieves at rated voltage and at rated frequency. Now if I want to increase the speed of the motor beyond the rated speed, what I will do is that I will increase the frequency, but I will not increase the voltage because it has already achieved the rated voltage, and any increase in the voltage beyond this point will lead into insulation failure. So increase in the frequency leads to increase in the speed of the motor, and therefore this operation is known as the variable frequency drive operation, because here only we are increasing the frequency and we are keeping the voltage constant. In this case, the maximum torque within the induction motor is not constant anymore because V upon F is not constant, and this operation is therefore called the variable frequency drive operation. So the basic difference between both the operation is that in the previous case we were controlling both voltage and frequency to keep the maximum torque constant, but in case of variable frequency drive, the motor will achieve greater speeds more than the rated speed but at reduced maximum torque. So this is the basic difference between both the operations.